So here's a trestle table I built at least 25 years ago. It's out of birch, heavy duty, and over the years the top has gotten tarnished and other stuff, and it needs resurfacing. And it's also loose. I mean, I've already started taking it apart, so it's wobblier than what it would be, but it still is loose. So I plan on restructuring it somewhat. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it, but I'm definitely going to restructure it some. The leg design is pretty simplistic, but it needs some cross braces or something. So I'm going to continue taking it apart. We'll get it loaded, but it's going to go back. Maybe not into the wood shop. I'm not sure where I'm going to do it, but I will take it back to an area where I can work on it better. So it's a future project. For now it might go into storage, but it's a pretty cool design, but not real super stable because it is just pegs. Now I did have some screws in it on top, and there's multiple screws on the bottom, but not a lot. So cool birch table, which will get resurfaced. So stay tuned. Eventually we will get to this project.